see what's going on in here. Hey, I like that little space back there. This one got 20 keys on one. Okay, I like that little space. Okay, guys, let's see what's in here. Oh my God, guys. Guys, look at the floor. I love the floor. Bedroom one, little ceiling fan. You have to open up the window so you can get more light. And here's the closet, guys, the closet. Okay, slide closet, pretty long. Yep, and then over here, guys. Ready for the first bathroom? Look at that floor. Oh my God, look at that floor. They have some lovely floors in here. Wow. I think I like this floor better. Wow, look at the tub. Love that tile. This one don't have much light as the other one, but you have to open up the window. No double sink. This one don't have a double sink, but it's pretty big. Yeah, that space. The toilet, have that window. It's pretty big in here. It doesn't have that much space in here. This is the main one. I love that floor though. I love that floor. I could take that floor throughout the whole house. I love that floor. Yeah, this is the first bedroom, the main bedroom. And you come out here. Then we have this long hallway. Wow. Right across from the door, we have a closet, a coat closet, so big. I don't see that much light in here yet. For sure, you have to open up the window. I don't really like those ceiling fans either, but I love the floor. Then we have two windows here. Then we have the kitchen. I don't really like the white, but that other white one blended in because everything was white. So this one is not that too much bigger than the other one, but I like it. I like it. I like it. Yeah, pretty big. Then they have the two double sink. I love that. And then they have this. I love that. I always wanted one of these. And they have a lot of space. A lot of space. And they have up there. That light must have worked. Cabinet space down here, all the way around. I love the stove. The stove is brand new. Yep. That space. You go a little bit of the living room. For sure, you have to open up the windows if you want more sun. You got a refrigerator. Wow, refrigerator. Wow, I love this. This is new too. And then a freezer. Oh my God, it feels so cool in there. Wow. Yeah, the refrigerator is new. And the stove. Then we have a back door. Then we have two windows. Ooh, I like that up there. Two windows, the back door, come around to the living room. Okay, let's go. We say the back door for last. Oh, I like this. We walk over here. Then over here, the washer and dryer. And I guess this is the second bedroom. Okay, this is the second bedroom. I don't like those ceiling fans. Wow, I go to the closet. It's pretty big. It'll do for a baby or a kid. Then up there. It's pretty big. The bathroom. This is the bathroom for company. Wow, I love that towel. Then over here, the sink, cabinets. This is really, really nice. Come over here to the tub. Old-fashioned one. It's pretty big in here. Yep, and you turn around. The sink. Pretty big, enough for what, 2 people to get in here. I really like that. That first one I'm gonna show you guys. And yeah, I think that's it. Then we're gonna go to the back door. Yeah, much it. I like that mirror right there. Wow. Okay. We have this little space over here. Yeah, we have this. You can get like 2 cars here. Yeah, this is nice. This is the inside from the door. Yep, this is nice. I really liked it. A lot of space. Put the table probably up there. I don't like it. I don't have no island. But yeah, I like the living room. Yeah, I like it. Yeah, I like it. The kitchen is open. I love that. There you go, the stairs. Okay, yeah, we got it locked. I had to slam it. They probably like, what that girl doing over there? This is the stairs. Nice. I really like this one too. I like all of them. It's probably the least one I like because it's smaller. And then I can put some little flowers over here. Yep, that's a nice